I will show you Ollie's Abdaal inspired thumbnail. How to make it on CapCut very simply. Ollie Abdaal, a popular YouTuber with millions of subscribers, achieves high click-through rates to his straightforward and eye-catching thumbnail designs. Let's start. Recommendation for YouTube thumbnail. Aspect ratio 16:9. Resolution. Format. Follow community guidelines. First, you need to bring your video clips. Bring the background image into the timeline. And then this bluish file or second clip. Then bring the third clip. Go to sticker emphasis. Scroll down. Bring this sticker into timeline. Scale the arrow and rotate it. Adjust the sticker length with video clip length. I am unable to move it down. I will use a small tricks to move the sticker any position into timeline. You don't need to do any export or make compound clip to bring this arrow backward of this man's. If you change the settings so far, go to menu. Go to settings, go to edit. Then turn on free layer. And then save. Close the file. And then click on a new project. So you see when you open free layer turned on. Import the same clips again. Then bring the 3 files one by one. Scale the third clip. Go to stickers and go to emphasis. Scroll down. Select this one. Adjust the sticker length. Reduce the scale and rotate. Rotate. I want to move this sticker backward. Select the stickers and move it below the third clip, means man's image. Then select the third clip and go to cutout. Click on auto cutout to remove the background. Select the second clip or bluish clip and reduce the opacity. Your video should look like this. Go to effects, video effects and light effects. Choose leak 2. Then move this effects above the blue background. Adjust the filter length same as the second clip length, so I completed the move arrow backwards like Ollie's thumbnail. Add text as like his thumbnail. Go to text and add text default text. Enter text. Click on font and choose font. Monster and then increase of all sides. Drag the $0 on left side. Select the text and right-click copy. Paste. Then drag the overlap text on right side. Enter second text. Still frame. File name. Export format PNG or JPG. Leave it like this. Export. One message will pop up so you can export the file completed. Go to the folder where you exported file. Final results. How to upload YouTube thumbnail. I already made a Conan. Please see the link in description box. Please subscribe to reach 1000 subscribers. See you in next tutorial.